The Equipter CR8400 is a compact, self-propelled crane that is ideal for lifting, transporting, and setting heavy objects. Whether using the control panel or radio remote, loading cargo is a breeze. Then, navigate the CR8400 right to the hitch of your vehicle, connect the trailer, and head to the job. After you roll onto the job, unhooking the trailer is just as easy. With a lightweight bed, wide back tires, and a tight turning radius, it's much safer to travel across your customer's well-maintained landscape and access tighter spaces than with a conventional crane. It's simple to move anything from a propane tank or an oil tank to an HVAC unit or a generator. Equipter also offers track mats for an added layer of protection on your customer's property. In addition to keeping your customer's landscape intact, with the CR8400, you can turn a 3 to 4 man struggle into a 1 to 2 man job. This consolidates labor expenses and reduces the physical stress on your crew, increasing your bottom line and boosting crew morale. Visit Equipter.com or call Equipter today at 717-661-3591 to start getting more done with the CR8400 crane.